So this video is going to go over your color pencil technique practice. This is what your layout is going to look like. I'll have a picture of the layout before I add colors. The first thing you need to add are 3 boxes of varying pressure. First one is light, second medium, third heavy. And then we'll talk about layering, also called blending. It's when you layer up different colors of color pencils. You build up the layers. We'll practice that after your varying pressure. On the second page, you're going to practice adding texturing for depth. You're going to create 3 boxes. The first one is hatching, the second one is cross hatching, and the third is scumbling. Some other techniques I want you to practice. Again, 3 more boxes: outline, stippling, and strokes. At the bottom, you're going to draw something and then practice coloring it in using some of the techniques you just learned. So I'm going to go ahead and add color now. For the light, you're just pressing very lightly in the box. Medium, you're pressing a little bit harder, and heavy, you have a really dark color for your box. For layering, pick a few colors that you want to layer on top of each other, basically trying to find new color blends that you can make. Just fill in areas of your box, making sure that some of the color overlaps other colors. You can do a color family, kind of like I did, with greens and yellows, or you can go across the color wheel. Honestly, whatever colors you'd like to play around with in your layering box. Be sure that you are coloring in the same direction. Honestly, that makes all the difference when it comes to craftsmanship. On our second page, hatching is lines going in the same direction. Cross hatching, you have 2 sets of lines that cross each other to add depth. Then scumbling, you have circular drawings kind of layered together to fill in a space with color. For your outline technique, you outline with one color, usually darker, and then fill in with a second color. I've gone back with different greens. With stippling, it's really, really short lines or even dots, and then you go back and fill in with different colors. It's almost like you're painting with tiny little strokes. And then in our last box, you have longer strokes. So again, going back in with a second or third color looks more like a painting than anything. For your practice, you're going to draw any object that you'd like with your micron pen. If you want to do pencil first, that's fine. And then you're going to fill it in with color pencil. See how varying your pressure affects the coloring, using different layering. You can see in mine, I did varying pressure to add a shadow to the pot that the plant is in, as well as a shadow on the ground underneath it. Kind of used an outline technique for the cactus itself, and then layering different colors together.